This is quick and easy with the gluten-free Maven. I have a mini crock pot, not the little dipper, but slightly larger, and it holds about 4 to 5 cups, and I'm making overnight oats. There are different types of overnight oats. Some are soaked in yogurt overnight with fresh fruit and left in the fridge. I personally don't like that texture. I'm just doing the overnight oats in the crock pot. It's very easy. Everyone comes in the morning and dips in and gets what they want. And they have a hot, delicious breakfast without really any effort in the morning on my part. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups. I have 1 cup in already. And I like the Trader Joe's old-fashioned oats. And make sure your oats say gluten-free, because some oats are produced with other grains. And I'm putting a sprinkle of cinnamon. That's how I like it. And about a half a cup of the golden raisins. And I'm going to put 2.5 cups of water. You can certainly add milk. There's no need to, or almond milk. It's very good also with nuts. And I'm going to do an extra half cup on top of what I would normally do if I'm making the oats from scratch. Actually, I made a mistake. I need 2 cups per cup of oats, so it's going to be 4 cups total. And I just give it a stir. And in the morning, people put different sweeteners if they want sweeteners at all. I like maple syrup. Some people like honey or agave or truvia. And plug it in and make sure it's on low. And it satisfies everyone in the family for a healthy breakfast. This has been Quick and Easy with the Gluten-Free Maven. www.theglutenfreemaven.com.